Is your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer dead? Won't power on no matter what you do? So, why does this happen? Often, the Dyson Supersonic won't power on due to issues with the power cord assembly or internal wiring. Over time, constant flexing and movement can cause the internal wires in the cord to fray or break, or the connection point inside the dryer can become loose. Less commonly, it could be a faulty power button or internal component, but the cord is usually the prime suspect. Ignoring a damaged cable isn't just frustrating. It can sometimes be a safety concern, not to mention a guaranteed way to keep your Dyson Supersonic out of commission. You invested in the best for a reason, and a simple cable issue shouldn't sideline your styling routine. But here's the good news. At RoboCare, we specialize in getting your Dyson Supersonic back to life. We know the Dyson Supersonic inside and out, and when it won't power on, our highly trained technicians quickly pinpoint the exact cause. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using specialized diagnostic equipment, we meticulously test the power input, internal wiring, and yes, that all-important power cable. We can identify even subtle damage that might be causing your dryer to fail. Our solution isn't a quick patch-up. If a cable replacement is required, we carefully remove the faulty unit and meticulously install a genuine component, ensuring all connections are secure and safe. We bring the same precision and attention to detail that Dyson puts into its original products. We make sure your Dyson Supersonic powers on reliably every single time. But don't just take our word for our expertise, let's get to the results. And just like that, with a precision power cable replacement, this Dyson Supersonic is back to its prime. Strong airflow, instant power, ready to tackle any hair day with ease. No more frustration, just flawless performance. Don't let a dead Dyson keep you down. For reliable Dyson Supersonic repair, including power cable replacement, contact RoboCare today.